My inbox has been flooded with literally 2 emails from viewers asking me to do something about my horribly faded black plastic on my E36M3. And to date, I've only ignored those 2 messages. But now that I'm starting to fix up my car, I've got my new door handle surrounds on there. The black plastic really is looking quite tatty. I mean, it's really closer to white than black at this point. But those 2 people out there didn't want me to just clean up my car. They wanted me to put something on here and then review it so they'd know if it'd be any good to use on their car. So today, that's exactly what we're going to do. One of the biggest reasons I've been putting this project off is because I haven't really had any good experience with plastic polishes in the past. Now, admittedly, it's probably been about a decade since I tried cleaning my cars with some of that black stuff. And back then, the technology just wasn't there. They couldn't make it last. It would drip in the rain. And overall, it just wasn't very good. It looked terrible again in a matter of weeks. But technology has marched on, and now there are supposedly better products out there. So I'm ready to give it another try. So I started my search for one of these newfangled products, probably the same way you do. I went to Google and just searched what the experts were recommending. Then I went to Amazon to see what the people that actually use it were saying. And what I found is this Car Guys Professional Detailing was one of the highest ranked on both Google from the experts and on Amazon. Now, full disclosure, these guys are not paying me. I bought this with my own money. I think it was 16 or 17 bucks off Amazon. Comes with this bottle and this handy applicator that I've already applied some to the car with. And the steps are pretty easy. First, you just have to clean all the plastic, get off your license plate brackets and anything else that may be in the way as well. And then once that's all dry, you just rub this on and then let it dry for a sec and then take it off with a clean towel. It's a pretty simple process, and we'll see if it actually takes this white looking plastic back to black and then how it holds up to outside conditions. I just have one step before I get on with the cleaning. My front license plate kind of covers up the front black trim here, so I'm just going to take that off and then get to scrubbing all the trim. Get scrubbing. All right, we've got everything wiped down. We'll just let that dry for a couple of minutes and then we'll get started with our black plastic polish. Like I said, I settled on this Car Guys Professional Detailing to apply. It's kind of just like waxing a car. You put on your little applicator, small amount, work in small areas, then you dry it off with a dry terry cloth. So let's get started and see how it looks.
You're inside of the video.
That took a lot more elbow grease than I was expecting, but the results are really impressive. This Car Guys Professional Detailing Plastic Restore really did work great on my BMW. It took a little scrubbing to get all the white stuff back to black, but if I put enough time into it, it all did come out black, and it does just look brand new kind of all around the entire car. It's really impressive how good this looks. Now, we'll have to see if this holds up over time, but for the time being, it's a win. In fact, it's so good that I think I'm going to use some of this on the window trim. So here's a little bonus. Let's see how it works on window trim rubber. All right, my plastic is officially cleaned, and this stuff worked well. It didn't work as well on the window trim, which is kind of rubber, not plastic, and not really what it's made for, but it did clean it up a little bit. But this black trim around the bumpers and on the side of the car just looked brand new almost. It's amazing how well this stuff works. Again, I used Car Guys Professional Detailing. I will say the little scrub thing they include in it's pretty cheap. It's got a hole in it. It just didn't hold up very well, but the product itself is very good, and I would recommend it on just the early results from scrubbing these bumpers so clean and black again. Now, we'll have to see how it holds up in the rain and weather, so I'll get an update in a few weeks to tell you how it's holding up. Now, I got the outside looking pretty good other than just it's filthy from sitting outside, but now it's in the garage. I'm gonna give it a clean, and then I'm gonna have to focus on the interior. I wanna get some new floor mats in here. I've got a new seat to go in, and I also have an Amazon Alexa for the car. So I'm gonna hook that up and give it a review and let you know what I think about that. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you turn in next time. And as always, thanks for watching.